Hello, Cherrie with the Cherrie and Zach team over here at NextHome Real Estate Rockstars. Happy Friday, and I wanted to talk to you guys about open houses. So if you plan to go look at open houses this weekend, make sure to let the host know or the real estate agent who's hosting the open house that you plan on having Cherrie or Zach represent you if you plan on hiring us as your agent. It's really important as a buyer that you're transparent with the agent that's hosting the open house who you plan on having represent you. That way there's no mixed messages and the agent doesn't feel deceived. Now, if they ask you to sign in, feel free to sign in, or you can also give them our contact information as well. Now, it's really important if you're planning on looking at open houses this weekend that you look at the things that are important. If I'm not with you or Zach's not with you, you want to make sure you're being mindful of the systems of the home. I want you to fall in love with the home, fall in love with the upgrades, the location, and all those important things, but also look at the age of the air conditioning unit, look at the water heater, take a look at the roof. You want to double check and look around, look at the ceiling for any staining, ask questions. You know, you're not doing an inspection, but you're being visual. You want to be able to see anything that may be visually wrong with the home, so that way we can negotiate appropriately. We would always prefer to be with you, so if you plan on going to open houses, just reach out to us. We would love to go with you. Now keep in mind, if your plan is to look at only open houses, that you're missing a huge portion of the market. Only about 25% of the homes are held open each weekend. That means you're missing 75% of the available options to you. So let's connect before or after you look at open houses. Let us know what you think of any home you see. Let us know what homes you've seen online that you'd like to see, and we can book appointments for you. I always say, let's talk before the open house. I'd love to know your plan of what you're looking at, and let's talk after the open house. I'd love to know your thoughts. The more I know about your home search and the more I know about the open houses you've visited, the better I can learn and better I can serve you. Hope you have a great weekend. Would love to hear from you. Bye.